another day, another story time. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Remember, we are just a South African food content YouTube channel, and we cook what we have in our houses. We are families because we are a one big family. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share the video. For each and everyone who have subscribed, you know what, may God bless you. Without any waste of time, let's cook rice liver. We shall see. Okay, continuing our last story time. Remember in our previous story time, pause. Now we are cooking, I think, beans. We just want to make a salad. As I continue the story time, watch the video on how I cook, because it becomes difficult to take you through the story time and also the ingredients. I will pause in between, of course. Now, remember our previous story time, Naughty Teenagers Part 1. This is Part 2. We're at the police station. Filling station. It was cousin A, which is the girl, cousin B, which is the boy. Oh, now look at this video. Cousin B, who is a boy, a younger sibling to cousin A, the girl, and cousin 3, which cousin 3 and I are mutual friends. We're mutual cousins. So we said a character name for cousin 3 was Pindile, right? Sharp, that is the character name. Now we are at the filling station. The posts are there, and they kind of look at us in a very suspicious way to say, there's definitely something going on. And remember, it's on a Christmas Eve, right? On the 25th of December. The parents are not there, and we literally want to be naughty teenagers, and we wanted to buy alcohol. Remember, the first spot, alcohol was not there. It was already closed. And cousin B, which is the younger brother, our driver, said, you know what, let's go to town. Let's drive to town. We'll find alcohol. Fine. The police let us go. They were suspicious, but we managed to keep it cool. You think that was the end of the night? No. Grab your chair. You're about to follow my sister. As I talk now, make sure that you subscribe, like, comment, and share the video. Sharp. We drove right inside town. Again, that was back then, before the country became transformed into whatever that it is right now. So there were police all over the place. Now, as we are driving downtown, there's another van of the police following us, literally. And we were very scared. Cousin A was like, you know what? These people can see that I'm a kid. You understand? They're driving, and you can tell that they are literally so curious that where are the kids going? Then there was a cap of their dad in the car, and then she wore a cap. I think they were I don't know whether they managed to see that we are kids or not. Sharp, we drove, managed to get to the to the bottle store, to the liquor store. Then we bought ourselves liquor. Remember, their father doesn't drink any other brand. He drinks Black Label. And at this point in time, we are buying what did I buy? I think I bought Reds, and they bought Smirnoff, Spin Storm, those kind of alcohol. I can't remember. I don't know alcohol much. But then I think Reds, I really know. That one I know. Smirnoff, Storm, and everything. Now, because you know when you are naughty and you are a kid, there's always that small way in my back, that small anyana worm that does like this inside your stomach, saying do more. The aim of this mini trip was to go and buy alcohol. Now, ask me what happened again. Now, after buying alcohol, we are all happy. We are all jumpy. You know what? We are in my father was once rich type of a car. Do you know what I'm talking about? Let me not say the name of the car, because they might know which cousin am I talking about. So, but then we were in my father was once rich type of a car. The vintage one. I beg. Okay, pause. Now, after frying your your ox liver, you can mix all different types of your, sauces, and just paint it around and put it back in the oven. Sharp. Unpause. As we unpause, then we moved. So cousin B was like, But we can't drink without Habli. Remember, I don't even know what Habli is. I don't know what Habli is. I was like, what the hell are you talking about now? No, we can't drink and not have Habli. What is that? Habli is this, that, that. They explain what a Habli is. And then cousin B, which is the boy. Yes, let me just say B for the boy. Yeah. Now, pause. On this other pen, I wanted to do a sauce, right? So I inserted butter and then your tomato paste, and then what is this? A milky. Remember in the beginning when I cook my liver, firstly I soak it under a small amount of milk. So I didn't want to throw away the remaining product, so I decided to make a sauce and then put a little bit of honey, of course, and pause. I think we're gonna have part 3 because wow. And pause. Then cousin A, the boy says, no, I left my Habli with my girlfriend. Let me tell you, I think the boy was 12 years, our cousin, the boy was 12 years or 13. And because they are from the burbs, they are from the burbs, the suburbs, boy literally was advanced. And you know how advanced these kids can be, these boy children can be. You get, I mean, somebody who knows how to drive. This boy was well off, like he knew what he wanted. He's one of those kids who grew up fast life and smart, of course. He's a very smart boy. Then I was like, no, Habli is at my girlfriend's place. And I called her. She said she's home alone. The parents are also not around. Ooh! We are going to have a jump. When I tell you my sister, my brother, I beg. The video, like, we are done. The story time is done, guys. Ooh, we'll have another part 3. Don't worry. And thanks for watching. I pray that God bless you, bless your children, bless your hustles, bless whatever that you touch. And thank you for subscribing. Thank you for coming and watching. And if you're still watching and contemplating, child of God, I am here to keep you company. You better press that subscription button, okay? Until we meet again for part 3. Bye.